Audio Jungle.
Alright, I know. Alright, I'm just finding out.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I gotta go check on my girls. We got a new rooster. We lost one about 2 months ago on a coyote attack, and so now we got a new rooster, so we can make some new chickens. And I just put him in general population with the girls last night for the first time. Here's my girlies. Okay, well, where's the rooster? What's up, doctor? Where you at, man? Okay, I don't know what's up with that. Hey, ladies. How's my girlies? Oh, there he is, all sitting in the corner. So y'all ain't getting along? Dude, why are you back in the corner like that? You ain't hooking up with the ladies? Oh, man. I hope we don't have like a gay rooster. I mean, you know, not that there's anything wrong with it, but I'm just saying, you know, that's not what we got him for.